How to make line graph in Google Sheets. First of all, open the Google Sheets. What you have to do is select the data that you would like to be included in the line graph. Once you do that, click on the option Insert that you can see on the screen. Click on the option Chart. You can see over here by default bar graph will be added. Over here you'll be able to find this option for chart editor. Make sure to select the option for setup. Right over here you can see the option for chart type. Click on this field. Scroll down. You can see various chart types over here. Find the option for line. Simply click on the option for line chart that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you can see over here the line graph has been added. Like this, you can make a line graph in Google Sheets. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.